This is how you can still get to send a message across to someone who has blocked you on WhatsApp, or basically how to unblock yourself if you have been blocked. Now, to do this, you get a mutual friend, maybe someone who has both the contact of yourself and the person who has already blocked. Let the person create on his device, create a WhatsApp group, add both you and the person who has blocked you, that is the person you are trying to send the message across to. Once they have done that, they can now leave the WhatsApp group and then delete it from the list of conversations that they've had. That is their list of conversation on their own WhatsApp device. Now, why it is important for you to use for a third party to be the one creating the WhatsApp group and adding you and the person is that since you have already been blocked, you will not be able to see this person on your contact list to add the person to the WhatsApp. So irrespective of how you want to do it, you can add yourself and another person, make the person an admin so that the person will now add the person who had blocked you, anyhow you want to do it. But there has to be a WhatsApp group and some other person will have to add the person that blocked you into that WhatsApp group. So once that is done, they can, other third parties can now delete the WhatsApp group from their device and then leave. That will leave just you and the person who has blocked on the group. So anytime you send a message to that WhatsApp group, the person who had blocked you on WhatsApp will still receive that message. And it will be as though you are just sending message directly, as if it is a direct chat between you and the person. Even though your original one-on-one conversations will not go through because you've been blocked, but the messages that you are sending into the WhatsApp group will still be blocked. Now, please take note that the individual, if they do not want to have a chat with you or if they do not want to communicate with you on their WhatsApp, they can still leave the group. If the person doesn't want to chat with you, can still leave the group, and that there's no way you can stop that from happening. Or if you are the person that blocked another person and they use this method to try and reach you, you can still prevent yourself from being added to WhatsApp groups, especially with people who are mutual friends with the person that added you to this WhatsApp. So to be able to prevent people from adding you to a WhatsApp group, you can go to settings, tap on accounts, privacy, and groups. Once you tap on groups, you see three options: either contacts, everyone, and then contacts except. That is in a situation where you want all your contacts to be able to add you to a WhatsApp group except some specific individual. So once you've been able to do that, it will prevent the people that you have chosen as the exceptions prevent them from being able to add you to WhatsApp groups going forward. So basically, if this video was useful to you, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.